The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. Just to let you know, the severe thunderstorm warning for the Roanoke Valley has been allowed to expire. That being said, we are still dealing with some really nasty showers and thunderstorms extending from Botetourt and Bedford County south into still Roanoke, okay? Downtown Roanoke still dealing with heavy rain. Hollins, your rain is starting to let up a little bit, but it's picking up in Troutville. It's picking up in areas very close to, if not just to the west of Buchanan. It is a very, very wet go of it right now along US 221/460. A very wet go of it right now along Interstate 81 and also along Highway 11. All these showers and thunderstorms, by the way, are indeed moving to the northeast at about 15 to 25 miles per hour. Still do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Charlotte County for about the next 11 minutes or so. My best guess is they will let that expire at 5:30 because it looks like that storm is indeed weakening in Charlotte County. Again, main threats here this evening. Going to have wind, going to have a little bit of hail, going to have heavy rain. We're also going to have thunder and lightning. But you need to know, look at the coverage area. It's not a huge coverage area by any stretch of the imagination. Right now, the storms are isolated, but those storms that are around are no doubt packing a punch. We are at a marginal risk for severe weather, or a level 1 risk here as we head throughout the course of the evening. Most of the severe thunderstorms thus far today have stayed actually to the north of us towards New England. Going to have another chance for a couple of strong to severe thunderstorms on Friday. Our northernmost counties in a slight risk or a level 2 risk of severe weather, and that slight risk extends from the highlands all the way north into Maine. And then by Saturday, I think we're going to have the chance for some thunderstorms, but those thunderstorms on Saturday should stay below severe criteria. So as we look at future tracker from now through about 11 or midnight, that's our best chance for some rain and thunderstorms. Okay, the severe weather threat should diminish when the sun goes down, but the chance for rain may linger a little bit beyond that. As we look at Friday, it starts dry, it starts out with sunshine, maybe starts out with some patchy fog too. But as we head into Friday afternoon after 3 o'clock, we may start to see a couple of thunder showers developing. Coverage area of those showers and thunderstorms will get greater close to dinner time. I think right now our westernmost and our easternmost counties probably have the best chance for thunderstorms as we head into Friday afternoon and Friday evening, although the middle part of our viewing area may have a couple to dodge here or there as well. And then it looks like late Friday night we're going to have another round of rain pushing in, so it wouldn't surprise me if Saturday starts wet. May get a break at times on Saturday. Otherwise, more hit or miss thunder showers will likely push in as the day progresses on Saturday. Unsettled here tomorrow, Saturday, even into Sunday, okay? So if you're heading to the Blue Ridge Rock Fest at the Virginia International Raceway, right along the North Carolina-Virginia border in Halifax County, you're going to want to have the rain gear, okay? We are looking at temperatures tomorrow in the upper 80s, falling to near 80 on Sunday. Each and every day, we're going to have the chance for at least some scattered showers and thunderstorms. 76 right now in Hot Springs, 67 Roanoke, 68 in Wytheville. Plain to see where it has rained and where it hasn't. 94 in South Boston, 93 Danville, and 91 in Lynchburg. High temperatures tomorrow as we go zone by zone. 82 in the NRV, 84 Covington, Clifton Forge, cooler northbound on 220, 87 Roanoke and South Side, 88 tomorrow in Lynchburg. For tonight, the evening thunder showers will taper off, but they're going to be with us here for a little while longer. But you need to know they're isolated to widely scattered. Okay, not everybody gets wet, but if you do, you'll know it because heavy rain is going to be falling. Patchy fog is possible too. Again, lows tonight 60 to 68. For tomorrow, partly sunny. More showers and thunderstorms will develop. Best chance will be after lunchtime tomorrow. We talked about those highs tomorrow, mainly in the 80s. South Boston, you could clip 90, and in the higher elevations, it may stay in the 70s, but most of us are in the 80s tomorrow. Upper 70s Saturday, Sunday, middle 80s on Monday, Tuesday, falling into the mid to upper 70s Wednesday, Thursday. Notice each and every day we will have the chance for rain, but the driest day right now looks to be Monday.